If you're trying to clean up your diet or just stop bleeding cash on delivery apps, you've probably looked into both Home Chef and Factor. But while they both drop boxes on your porch, they're built for completely different people. Home Chef is for when you actually want to cook a fresh meal, but you hate the grocery store runs and tedious meal prep. And they send the raw ingredients pre-portioned, so you get a home-cooked dinner minus the stress. Now, Factor, on the other hand, well, they delete the kitchen entirely. Their meals show up 100% cooked. You just throw it in the microwave for 2 minutes and you're eating. We're going to break down the pricing, the menus, the flexibility, so you can figure out whether you want convenience with cooking or without it. Now, quick heads up, I do have affiliate links in the description for everything we are covering, and if you use them, I earn a commission at no extra cost to you, which does help support the channel. All right, so we're going to dive into Home Chef first. This whole setup, it's perfect if you actually like the idea of cooking, but you absolutely hate dealing with all of the annoying, time-sucking prep work. Every single week, they drop a fresh, rotating menu with a ton of options to pick from, and once you lock in what you want, a box shows up right at your doorstep packed with everything you need, completely pre-measured and sorted for each specific dish. Now, the absolute best part about it is that it completely deletes grocery store runs, boring meal planning, and that classic, what are we gonna have for dinner tonight? So everything is already handled for you. And when you're ready to eat, you just pull out the recipe card they sent and throw the meal together. What I do really like about it is that it hits a really nice sweet spot between total convenience and actually real cooking. You still get that great feeling of making a fresh home-cooked dinner, just without all of that chaotic kitchen stress. Plus, if it does get crazy, managing the app is simple. You can skip a week, pause your box, or tweak your upcoming orders whenever you need to. Now, what actually makes Home Chef such a standout is that customize it tool that I mentioned earlier. And this lets you tweak most meals right before they lock in your box. So if a dish defaults to pork, but you want some chicken, you just swap it out. You can even upgrade to premium cuts or literally double the meat if you need much bigger portions. And that is a big win since almost no one else in this space gives you that kind of freedom. Now, beyond that, they do crush it with menu variety. Every week, they drop dozens of fresh choices, plus you can grab a bunch of extras to stock your fridge for the week. And if you have specific health goals or time limits, their filtering system is great. You can easily sort the menu by high protein, one-pot dinners, easy sheet pan setups, or even just the quick, ready-to-heat stuff. So whether you want an actual cooking project or you just need something completely foolproof, finding exactly what fits your vibe, it's easy. Now, when we're talking about the cost, Home Chef kicks it off right around $10 a serving. Obviously, your final total is going to shift depending on the exact meals you pick and how many servings you lock in. But when you stack that up against constantly ordering takeout, it actually holds some value. Now you're getting fresh groceries dropped at your door without paying all of those insane delivery app fees and restaurant markups every other night. Plus, the hidden win here is that how much it kills your food waste. Since every single ingredient shows up perfectly pre-measured, you completely stop tossing out half-used produce that just dies in the back of the fridge. So if you actually enjoy cooking but you just want your evenings back without sacrificing the quality of your dinners, well, this setup gives you an awesome mix of pure convenience and real value. All right, now let's talk Factor. This is a different ballgame. Instead of sending you raw ingredients like Home Chef, Factor ships you meals that are 100% prepared and ready to cook. And when that box drops at your door, you literally just stack the meals in your fridge. And whenever you get hungry, you just pop one in the microwave for 2 minutes and you're eating. And it is heavily geared towards anyone who wants to spend exactly 0 minutes prepping food. There's no chopping, no raw chicken on your counters, and 0 pots and pans to scrub at the end of the night. It is entirely hands-off, and if you're working crazy hours, hitting the gym hard, wrangling kids, or just constantly on the move, having food ready instantly is a game changer. But what really sets it apart from those old school microwave dinners is how seriously they take nutrition. They actually have real dietitians building these menus and real chefs cooking them. So you get meals that hit your goals but still taste really good. Plus, they cover almost every dietary lane you can think of. If you are running a strict keto diet, they have a whole menu for that. You want to drop some weight? Grab the Calorie Smart dish. Trying to build muscle? The Protein Plus options are loaded. They also run vegetarian, low carb, high fiber, and even specific GLP-1 friendly options if you are on a modern weight management track. Every single container has the exact macros slapped right on the front, making it very simple to track your protein, your carbs, and calories without guessing. Now, one other detail that I have to mention is their add-on market. You're not just limited to lunch and dinner. You can load up your box with breakfast, smoothies, protein shakes, quick snacks, desserts, or even extra cooked proteins. And for a lot of people, Factor just replaces the grocery store completely instead of just covering dinner. And if you do want to give Home Chef or Factor a try, check out the affiliate links in the description below. Using those earns us a commission and no extra cost to you, which does help support the channel. Now, Factor, price-wise, it sits in the premium tier of meal delivery, but honestly, that makes sense. You're not just paying or buying groceries, you're paying for the chefs, the prep, and the pure convenience of having everything finished for you. So yeah, it costs more than cooking from scratch, and it usually comes in at about $11.50 to $14 per meal, depending on how many you order, plus a shipping fee of $11. But you are buying back hours of your week, and for a lot of people, that trade-off is a no-brainer. And if your schedule is completely slammed and cooking isn't happening, having a healthy dinner ready in 2 minutes is a big win. So head-to-head, there isn't really one ultimate winner. It totally depends on what exact problem you are trying to solve. If you like cooking, if you want fresh ingredients and love having control over the menu, Home Chef is your move. You still get to hang out in the kitchen, but they do strip away the worst parts of meal planning and grocery runs. Plus, those customization tools are incredible, and the recipes are foolproof even if you are a beginner. Now, on the flip side, if your main goal is just saving time and keeping your nutrition totally dialed in with no effort, Factor is hard to beat. When you're hitting the gym daily or you're just slammed with work, having detailed macros on a meal that's ready in 2 minutes, it's a big win for those with specific fitness targets. So it really just boils down to this. Do you want convenience with cooking or convenience without cooking? Home Chef gives you the full chef experience, minus the tedious prep. Factor just deletes the cooking entirely. So which one would I actually pick? For the average household that still likes hanging out in the kitchen and making dinner together, well, obviously it's Home Chef. It hits that perfect sweet spot of pure convenience, great variety, and real value while still letting you actually cook your own fresh food. But if your schedule is completely slammed, you're tracking strict macros for the gym, or you just have absolutely zero desire to stand over a stove, well then Factor is easily one of the best ready-to-eat options on the market. At the end of the day, both of these services do a great job of helping you eat clean while buying back your evenings. The right call just comes down to how much skin you actually want in the game when it's time to make dinner. And that wraps up this video. I hope you found it helpful, and if you did, then please like and sub to see more videos just like this. And don't forget, you can find the affiliate links for what we covered right below this video. And if you do use them, we earn a commission at no extra cost to you, which does help support the channel. Also, if you're interested in working with us or sponsoring a future video, reach out using the email in the description below. If you have any questions or comments, drop them below, and I'll get back to you as soon as I can. Finally, guys, thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.